Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanshika, and if you're new to this channel then don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So today's video is going to be very creative. I am trying to make easy and wearable Halloween looks on me, and there will be two of them. So one is very basic girlish kind of a look with red undertones, and the other one is pure horror skull look. That can be a unisex look because boys and girls both can wear that look very easily. Both of the looks are super easy to do, and it will take you around 5 to 10 minutes to do each look. So now that I'm complete with my base, you can do any kind of foundation, concealer, just conceal your base. So now let's dive into the colorful part of the Halloween look, which I really love. And you can also follow me on Instagram for more such videos, looks and reels. So I am starting off with this red beautiful angel horror look, and for that you don't need many products. You just need a basic eyeshadow palette which contains a pretty red color, like something like this, and a bit of a yellowish, and you need an eyeliner which is black in color, or any eyeshadow palette which contains a pretty black color. So I am using this one from Maybelline 24K Nudes, and the other one that I'm using is the Nicka K Birthday Cake. This is my absolute favorite palette if you know me from before. So let's get started with the video. So now that I'm complete with my base, what I do is I start off with the red color to outline my eye look and also the look that is here. So what I do is I usually go for pigmented eyeshadow palette. If you don't have one, the trick that you can use is use any face mist or face spray, and firstly wet your brush like this so that it takes up all the product very quickly. So let's start. So I have already wet my brush, and now I'm starting off with the red color here and taking some on the brush. So what I'll do is I'll start eyelining my upper crease like this. So make a very thin line which creates a look like this. Okay, you just have to go in with your crease. So I am going here with my crease like this and push it outwards, creating a wing effect in your eyes. Do this for both the sides. Now we will start off with blending the product in, which gives a very nice effect. You just need to take a little bit more of red color, take a fluffy brush and start going in circular motions like this. And don't forget, do it only on your crease and nowhere else. We need this part empty to do a black eyeliner. So I'm going in with very light hands and spreading it all over my eyes like this. Can you see it has instantly lighted up my whole face with this red color? And the same thing I'll do for the next eye. Now what you need to do is take a lighter product color like yellow and also blend it out on the upper crease. It will give a very nice ombre effect on the corners. Okay, so now that I'm done with it, I will again go with a flat tip brush, wet it a little because I'm going to make that crease look more clean. Again, I'm taking the red shade and outlining the same as I did at the first place. So now what I do is I'll take a shimmery red to make it a little more popping effect. So I am taking this very nice mauvish reddish glitterish shade and I'm just taking on my hand and roughly putting on my eyelid so that I can go in with the black eyeliner. Can you see? So now that I'm done with my eyes, I will go in with the eyeliner and put it all over my lid. I am doing a wing eyeliner to give it a more dramatic effect. As you can see, I have put a very perfect eyeliner, but as I said, Halloween makeup is not about perfection. So what I'll do is I'll take this another palette with the black shade and I'll buff the eyeliner out. So I'm taking this very nice black shade over here. So now that I am done with my eyelids, let's start off with making the other design. For that, I am wetting my brush again. Again, you don't need to be very precise. So I am start making the devil's, what do you call it? Like the angel's wing on my face. So for that, just take a little bit of a cycle to your forehead. And then take the same kind of this. And make a U connecting your mouth. So it will something like a blunt here. Now what I'll do is I'll take a lipstick that is matching this shade, very bright brick red lipstick. I'm using this one from Huda Beauty. I think it's in the shade wine red, and this is a very bright red and it will give a very, you know, blood effect to your lips. So the last step of this Halloween look is to take the same red color or the pink blush or the red blush. I'm taking the same red color, going in with a blush brush and, you know, putting on the ample of my cheeks so that it gives a more bloody effect. So now for the last step, I am using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Rose Gold, and I'm just taking it on my hand to give it a sheer nice glow to my face. So guys, this is the final look. I really love it. I call it the Sad Angel, and I really love the colors and how it turned out. It's super easy. It took me 5 minutes to create, and as you can see, it gives a very nice bloody effect. You can go in with a red top or a black dress and it will look so pretty. You can also wear accessories like headband to make it, you know, to give it a more kind of a Catwoman look, and also big earrings if you want dramatic earrings. I don't have at the moment, so I'm not putting anything up, but this was the final look. As you can see, it looks really good and it's super easy to do. What else you can do is you can put on the false eyelashes to give it a more dramatic effect, but as you all know, by this time I am very bad at putting false eyelashes. So this is my final look, and that is pretty much it. So this was look 1. Now we'll move on to the look 2. For that, I'm really excited. So guys, I am back. So moving on to the next makeup look, you just need 2 to 3 products. Again, you just need a black eyeshadow. I have the same 24K Nudes Maybelline palette, a white eyeliner, or you can also take a white eyeshadow. So this is not very pigmented, so I am going in with a white eyeliner. And the most important thing that you need is a black eyeliner, which is very bold, very chic. So let's get into the video and start. So this is right here the makeup look that I'm doing right now. It is a unisex look. You can also do it on boys and girls and it will look super pretty. So starting off with my eyelids. So I am going in with a brown shade first to give it a more nice dewy effect. Okay, now that I'm done with my upper eyelid, what I'll do is I'll go with in the black eyeshadow to give it a more dramatic effect. So that I'm going in with the black shade here. Again, dusting off the extra product and doing a very light wing sort of a situation here. So when you're doing Halloween makeup, what black color usually does is it gives a more ashy effect, which gives a look of a dead body, or like, what do you call it, mummy kind of a look, which I really like. So again, going in with the same black eyeshadow. So we are done with the eyes. For now, I'll do a wing eyeliner. For that, I'm using this Lenfor black sketch pen in the color black. Okay, now moving on to the main item that I need to do right now is the skull that I'll make here. So for that, I'm using this white so that if there is any mistake, I can easily cover it up. So definitely there will be some mistake and it will make your face look more dark, and you have to go in with your base again. So I'm going in with the white, roughly making line like this, joining my jaws and then filling it in. So as you can see, I am done with it, but before going in with the black shade, what I need to do is I line my lips with a white color so that it gives a very nice hollow effect. So I'm taking this white one from this palette, dusting the extra off and putting on my lips to make it look more pale color, I think. You don't need to be very precise while doing this, just like this. And now going in with the brown shade, I'm blending the black out because I don't want it to look more straight, so giving it more definition and putting brown on the downside. So just making it a very nice white ball, and again I'm going in and filling this one with a black color. So now what you have to do is, it's a really important step, I'm making the teeth like pale. So for that, what you need to do is you need to do lines like this. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to create vertical lines on your lips. So firstly, close your lips. So guys, this is it for today's video. This was the second look. Let me know in the comment section below which one you like more, the first one or the second one, and the most loved look I will do on the Halloween and dress up properly. So let me know in the comment section, and for photos and more reels, do follow me on Instagram. I will be posting everything over there. So until next time, bye. This was easy makeup Halloween look, and last year also I filmed a video similar to this, but it got deleted. But this time I've come up with 2 different looks, and I hope you guys liked it. So if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video, and until next time, bye.